she advertises in a couple.
Okay, you're putting a second coat of primer on here, Jim?
I'm putting a second coat on primer just because this is old drywall that wasn't painted, and the patches, I want to make sure we have a uniform finished look when I put the finished paint on. So I'm just using up what sealer I have in here just to use it up, just to added measure. Just to have, in my own mind, I've done everything I could.
I can't believe that, Mike. I mean, Video Joe.
Seal it off really good. And then you don't have to be concerned about, you're going to get excellent coverage on your finished coat because you've taken the steps to get it properly sealed. Very good.
You're just doing this because you have the primer because there were some patches there. You don't necessarily install 2 coats of PVA primer all the time.
It's just because this is all raw wood and we have existing painted ceiling, it'll give it just an extra coverage here.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
And I think we're going to be fine now.
Good job.
No more falls, right?
No.
Oh,
Oh, did you not tell me
We're
that?
going to be fine. So.
Now because where you're sneaking in through there, there's wallpaper there, smooth wallpaper, so you're putting a second coat of PVA primer over that too, just to get a little better, because it wants to slide off on the first coat, huh?
Well, yeah, you
I'll
put
wipe
on
that corner
you got
off
rid
real
of that,
quick and have that thing.
Portable.
Because the wallpaper overlapped a little bit here on the wallpaper.
Yeah, they put a nice heavy vinyl wallpaper on
very nice
here,
paper, yeah.
but the stuff in the kitchen initially was just paper wallpaper.
Exactly. So we'll just get that up through there. And I think that's going to be fine now.
You need some cabinets
Good.
around there.
It's gonna look sharp. Now see that shiny right there, only because it's wet. When it dries, it's gonna be flat down there. But because we had the light shining up there, you know, he can see if he missed any areas, any holiday areas. That construction light, you gotta get one of those.
They're so long, and they're so wide, and they're so high.
Hey, so Jim, are you gonna use that same bucket for the finished paint, or you got another bucket, or what do you do with that?
I'll just wash this bucket out and use the same bucket.
Okay.
And then get all the excess paint, primer back into the original can. And I can use this again.
I've even got 2 models of the
And with a universal primer, you can use it interior or exterior. That's a
I
good.
told them.
Yeah, I like that part. I've not really heard of that, but I think I'm gonna get that next time I need some primer.
Yeah, because you can use it on the exterior,
What is that?
and you're not limited. Like you don't have a product that you're limited with. Versatile use.
Until it's 48.
And you know, you don't have to go out and buy another can of primer for exterior. You got one for interior in there, so you're saving.
I've got 2 models. I'm going to give one for Christmas.
Interior, exterior, metal, sheetrock, wood, whatever.
Stucco, yep.
18.
Seal stains.
Yeah, I like that about this universal primer.
Yeah, it's a good product to have because
The 18.
good to have on hand as a homeowner.
Not enough room anymore, so I started buying the 24.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to have to buy 3 or 4 different types of primer and then let that sit around. You only use half a gallon, think you're going to use it later on,
Exactly.
and oh, I can't use it because it's not exterior.
Yeah,
You said he's in some college.
exactly.
I forgot what you told me.
more than 50.